Which is the most indebted nation in the world?
Sir, most
Indebted, which is in huge amount of debt to rest of the world. Which country?
sorry, sir, I'm not able to.
Debt. India got
Debt or
Kadan.
okay, debt to GDP.
Debt. Which is the country which is the highest amount of quantum of debt in the world?
Sir, based on my limited knowledge, I feel Japan has a 265% of GDP of debt.
Huh?
Japan.
Japan.
Yes, sir. Sir, based on my limited opinion, among the G20 countries, Japan has a debt of about 250% out of GDP.
Yeah.
It's very deep. The highest indebted nation in the world is United States.
Sir, yes, sir, sorry to I have
Tell
a
me.
view. US is 120% of its GDP.
120. This is
In
260.
absolute terms, debt of US is
In actual terms,
Yes, sir, in absolute terms.
not the percentage wise.
Percentage wise, Japan is number one.
The percentage Japan. But actual quantum wise, it is.
Yes.